The secrets to health, longevity, and vitality may lie within you, hidden deep inside every single one of your cells. Imagine a process that allows your body to repair itself, remove toxic waste, and even fight disease, all while you sleep, fast, or take a break from food. This isn't some fantasy. It's happening right now, inside you, through the process of autophagy. But what if I told you that you can harness the power of autophagy to not only extend your life, but transform the way you feel, look, and age? In a world where we're bombarded with quick fixes and fleeting solutions, what if the key to long-term health and longevity is something ancient, something embedded in our biology for thousands of years? Today we dive deep into the fascinating world of autophagy, a natural process that holds the key to cellular health, longevity, and metabolic optimization. And perhaps even more surprisingly, we'll discover how something as simple as intermittent fasting can unlock this powerful mechanism, making it one of the most potent tools for enhancing human health. Before we dive into the specifics of autophagy, let's start by understanding the broader concept of metabolic health. In the simplest terms, metabolic health refers to how well your body processes and utilizes energy from food. It encompasses a range of processes, from the regulation of blood sugar and insulin to the breakdown of fats for energy. Metabolic health is the foundation upon which our longevity rests. When our metabolic systems are functioning optimally, we enjoy a steady flow of energy, balanced hormones, and the ability to repair and regenerate cells. However, when this balance is disrupted, whether by poor diet, stress, or inactivity, it can lead to a cascade of health issues. These may include weight gain, insulin resistance, high blood pressure, and chronic inflammation, all of which are risk factors for diseases like diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. But here's the good news. Metabolic health is not a fixed trait. It's dynamic, changeable, and largely within our control. By taking the right steps, such as improving our diet, increasing physical activity, and optimizing our hormonal health, we can reverse metabolic dysfunction and dramatically improve our quality of life. And when it comes to metabolic health, one of the most powerful tools we have at our disposal is autophagy. Autophagy, literally meaning self-eating, is a process through which your body cleans out damaged or malfunctioning cells and recycles them into healthy, functional ones. It's your body's natural way of staying efficient, getting rid of debris, and protecting you from cellular breakdown and disease. Think of autophagy as a kind of housekeeping inside your cells. When cells are damaged by stress, toxins, or old age, they can become a source of inflammation, and their waste can pile up, disrupting normal function. Autophagy is the process by which your cells break down this waste and repurpose it into something useful, essentially performing a kind of cellular spring cleaning. But autophagy doesn't just happen by chance. It's triggered under specific conditions, one of which is fasting. That's where the relationship between autophagy and intermittent fasting comes in. Intermittent fasting, IF, is an eating pattern that alternates between periods of eating and fasting. It's not about drastically reducing calories or restricting food groups. It's about giving your body a break from constant digestion and allowing it to shift into a state of repair and regeneration. This fasting window can range anywhere from 12 to 36 hours, depending on the method. When we fast, our bodies run out of readily available glucose from food and begin to tap into fat stores for energy. This shift from burning carbohydrates to burning fat triggers a cascade of hormonal responses that signal to our cells that it's time to enter a more energy-efficient state. During this fasting period, insulin levels drop significantly, allowing cells to begin the process of autophagy. At the heart of this process is a protein called mTOR, mechanistic target of rapamycin. Under normal eating conditions, mTOR is active, and its primary job is to build and grow cells. However, when we fast, mTOR activity decreases, and the body activates another pathway known as AMPK, AMP-activated protein kinase. AMPK is a master regulator of energy balance, and when it senses a lack of food intake, it signals to the cells to initiate autophagy, essentially sending in the cleanup crew to remove damaged cellular components. The beauty of intermittent fasting is that it doesn't just promote autophagy, it also enhances the body's ability to burn fat, regulate insulin, and optimize hormones, all of which are crucial for long-term health. Insulin, the hormone that helps regulate blood sugar, plays a pivotal role in the body's metabolic processes. Under normal eating conditions, insulin is released in response to the intake of carbohydrates, signaling to cells to absorb glucose for energy or storage. While insulin is essential for energy balance, constantly high insulin levels can be detrimental to metabolic health. When insulin remains elevated due to constant snacking or excessive carbohydrate consumption, the body struggles to burn fat efficiently. Insulin resistance, the condition in which the body no longer responds properly to insulin, sets the stage for a wide range of health problems, from obesity to type 2 diabetes. But here's where fasting comes into play. During periods of fasting, insulin levels drop, and the body enters a fat-burning mode. By giving your body time to reduce insulin and burn fat for energy, intermittent fasting helps regulate blood sugar, promote fat loss, and improve metabolic flexibility. This, in turn, creates the ideal conditions for autophagy to occur, cleaning up cellular waste, and ensuring that your cells remain healthy and functional. Hormones are the body's chemical messengers, controlling everything from metabolism to mood, appetite, and sleep. The balance of hormones is crucial for maintaining metabolic health. For example, ghrelin, often referred to as the hunger hormone, signals to your brain when it's time to eat, while leptin signals when you're full. Insulin, as we've seen, regulates blood sugar and fat storage, and growth hormone plays a role in tissue repair, muscle growth, and fat metabolism. Autophagy is intimately connected to hormonal balance. When autophagy is triggered through intermittent fasting, it not only removes waste products from cells, but also helps regulate the production of key hormones. By reducing inflammation and improving insulin sensitivity, autophagy supports the body's ability to balance hunger and satiety signals, optimize fat metabolism, and promote healthy aging. In fact, intermittent fasting has been shown to increase human growth hormone, HGH, production, which plays a critical role in tissue repair, fat burning, and muscle preservation. By fasting and engaging in regular cycles of autophagy, you can optimize your body's hormonal environment, supporting both physical and mental health. The process of autophagy is a form of cellular repair that plays a key role in aging and longevity. As we age, our cells naturally accumulate damage from various sources, including oxidative stress, inflammation, and environmental toxins. Over time, this accumulation of damage can impair cellular function and contribute to the development of age-related diseases such as Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and cancer. Autophagy helps combat this cellular aging process by removing defective proteins, damaged mitochondria, the energy powerhouses of the cell, and other waste products that accumulate over time. By clearing away this cellular debris, autophagy promotes healthy cell regeneration, allowing your body to maintain a youthful, energetic state for longer. But the effects of autophagy extend beyond simply clearing waste. Autophagy also stimulates mitophagy, the process by which damaged mitochondria are broken down and replaced with new, healthy mitochondria. This is crucial for maintaining energy production at the cellular level, which has a direct impact on your vitality, endurance, and overall sense of well-being. It's no wonder, then, that autophagy is often referred to as the body's anti-aging mechanism. By harnessing the power of intermittent fasting and stimulating autophagy, you can support your body's natural ability to repair itself, slow the aging process, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. While autophagy is primarily associated with cellular repair and longevity, its effects extend to the brain as well. The brain is one of the most energy-demanding organs in the body, and like any other organ, it requires regular maintenance. During periods of fasting, autophagy helps remove damaged brain cells and promotes the regeneration of new ones. In particular, autophagy plays a crucial role in the removal of damaged proteins associated with neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. By reducing these toxic proteins, autophagy supports cognitive function, memory, and mental clarity. Additionally, fasting and autophagy have been shown to increase the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that supports the growth and survival of neurons. The journey of intermittent fasting and autophagy is not just about avoiding disease or slowing aging, it's about thriving. It's about unlocking the incredible potential of your own body to heal, repair, and regenerate, giving you the vitality and energy to live a full, vibrant life. It's about taking control of your health and transforming the way you feel, look, and age. Now, before we move forward with your journey toward better health, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any insights on how to optimize your metabolism and unleash your true potential. The power to transform your body, your mind, and your life is within your grasp. By embracing the practice of intermittent fasting and unlocking the power of autophagy, you can take control of your metabolic health, protect your cells from aging, and increase your chances of living a longer, healthier life. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link below to get your free ebook and start your transformation today. Take charge of your health and let your body do the rest. Don't let another day pass by without stepping into a life of vitality, longevity, and freedom. The journey begins now.